Hi, I'm Bailey,
And I'm Scott.
and we're with Harvest Helper Trim Store. Today we're going to give you an overview of the whole Twister trimmer lineup. Twister offers a trimmer for anybody from a small garage grower to a large-scale commercial grower. We're going to help you get into something that's going to fit your budget with your production needs. The Twister T6 is a fantastic trimmer for a backyard grower, a hobby grower, or even a commercial grower that might be doing more of a craft style grow with smaller, more frequent batches. This little guy is a continuous feed trimmer. It's going to process up to 4 pounds per hour dry or up to 16 pounds per hour wet. Scott, could you go through a couple of the features for me?
Yeah, sure. It's got a 304 stainless steel tumbler. It's got nitride bed knife and reel blade, which the reel blade's what spins underneath and actually trims the cannabis as it's going through the tumbler. And now that they're doing this nitride bed knife and blade, it's a steel hardening process that leaves it looking all black, no powder coated paint anymore, so no chance for paint into the product anymore. It's really clean, and it also hardens the steel so it doesn't have the chance of chipping like it did when it was just powder coated steel.
One of the things I like about it is that it doesn't take up much space. Regular 115 volt plug-in, you're good to go. A little countertop in your garage or a 6-foot table. It comes with a 3-year warranty, and to be perfectly honest, being able to get into the quality of a Twister trimmer at a $3,000 price point is really a beautiful thing. I mean, it's really, really awesome to be able to start trimming at any kind of a scale, even if it is only 2 to 4 pounds per hour. But that price point's going to get you where you need to be to find success in your grow.
To get a Twister trimmer and that name and the warranty and the same style quality trimming you would get from the other Twister trimmers for that price point is a great deal. And I think we didn't mention yet the adjustable knobs on the front. That allows that bed knife to pivot so you can get that bed knife right down on top of those reel blades and get the tightest cut that's
True scissor trim.
Yeah, that's right. And it's self-sharpening that way too.
Yeah, cool.
So it's a great trimmer.